Hey everybody, 1964 and a half Mustang, D code 260 V8 automatic with air, power steering, red line tires, style steel wheels. And this car is super nice, super clean. Original motor is very nice inside. Air conditioning blows ice cold. Pretty cool car. Backup lights, turn signals, headlights, everything works and works well. It's got red line radial tires on it with the style steel wheels. And the seats are redone in buckskin leather, and they are soft and supple and beautiful. Super comfortable. Car runs really good. It's running now. There's the original tag on the door. Headliner, back seat, all of that stuff is super nice. All the door jambs are nice. This car is in the box, ready to go. Paint shines like new money. All the glass is super clear. Very, very nice restored car. Come see us at redlinemusclecars.com, your muscle car connection, right here in sunny Wilson, Oklahoma.